What's up, guys? So today we're going to be making some barn wood out of alder. We'll go through a few steps and show you. So start with a plain piece of alder you see here, and we're going to turn it into this. Look at the grooves. That's pretty cool, right? Groovy. So it's pretty simple, pretty easy to do, and you don't have to do any stain or paint to it. So your secret weapon is right there. Small propane torch. You're going to burn the wood until it literally doesn't burn anymore. It'll catch fire and it'll go out. That's when you know you got a good burn. Now you just take a wire wheel, toss it into your drill or whatever, and just go along with the grain. It grooves out pretty good, but you take a wire brush here, clean out the grooves really good so you can see them, and voila, that's what it looks like up close. Now you can do anything with it. Carve it, paint it, whatever you want to do. But we thought it was a cool technique. We're actually building a flag out of it. We'll be posting that video here soon. And we think it looked pretty amazing. We'd love to hear what you guys think. If you like what you saw, go ahead and hit subscribe. Thanks, guys. Mahalo.